CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.1 Explain fundamental security concepts and frameworks. CIA. To begin our study of Domain 6.0 of the CompTIA Tech Plus exam objectives, we will discuss the CIA triad. And before your mind wanders, the CIA triad is not about secret agents, it's about the core principles of information security, which are confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These principles work together to protect and manage data in the world of IT. The first pillar of the CIA triad is confidentiality. It ensures that data is kept private and only accessible to authorized users. Confidentiality employs measures such as encryption and access controls. The second pillar is integrity. This ensures the accuracy and trustworthiness of data. Imagine you're writing a letter. Integrity ensures that the letter remains unchanged from when you wrote it to when the recipient reads it. Security techniques that prevent any unauthorized alterations or alert us to potential tampering would fall into this category. The third pillar is availability. Availability ensures that data is accessible when needed. Or you can think of it as the ability of an IT system to be up and running without interruption. By understanding the three parts of the CIA triad, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, you can begin to select security controls that will keep your data secret, make sure your data can be trusted, and is accessible when needed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.